Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Trust you are doing great. Welcome to Beulah Fashion Academy. In this channel I post trending styles, I post tutorial videos, cut and sew videos, pattern drafting on trendy styles, and all my videos are well explained and beginner friendly. So if this is what you are interested in, please join the community by subscribing. So in today's video we are going to be learning how to cut and sew a Bubu Kaftan. This Bubu Kaftan has an off shoulder which I'll be adding a material on, and towards the end of the video I will also be showing us tips. If you don't want to make yours an off shoulder, how you can just bring out your neck from the shoulder. So if this is what you're interested in, stick around and let's get started.
So guys, the only thing I'll be measuring for this gown is my length, is my full length. It's going to be a free gown, so I'm going to measure my full length. My full length is 55 inches. So I'm going to leave like 6 inches up. I'm supposed to leave 4 inches up, but because of this black material that I'll be using to tape the off shoulder, this black material will be like a band, and it is going to be like 2 inches. So the 4 inches plus the additional 2 inches, that's 6 inches. Then I measure my 55 inches. I measure my 55 inches plus 1 inch allowance for turning it in. That's 56 inches that I have here. So I'm going to go ahead and mark it just like I have here. I'll cross-check my measurement. I'm going to go ahead and cross-check my measurement. After that, I'm going to be starting this side from the down. Permit me to start from the down. The thing I'm going to be doing now is to get the shape of the kaftan. So from this down here, from the full length of the gown here, I'm going to come up by 12 inches. As we can see here, 12 inches. Then from the side here, I'm going to come in by 10 inches. As we can see here. Because when I open up this place, this remaining 30 inches, it will become 26 inches. So it is wide enough. So I'm only going to come in by 10 inches and I will come up by 12 inches. So I'm going to get my ruler and make a straight line. So I'm going to make a straight line here, like this. Then after that, I want you to follow the movement of my hand. After this, I'm just going to come in this way. Something like this. Just something, sorry guys, something like this. It's as simple as that. Something like this, like a curve, then it's coming up. Just like a curve, then it's coming up. That's all for the down. Now I'm coming up to the next side. This kaftan is going to be an off shoulder, so I'm going to use this black material to tape it at the shoulder side. So this is my shoulder side here. I'm going to measure my shoulder. My shoulder measurement is 15 divided by 2, that's 7.5, plus half an inch sewing allowance. That is my normal shoulder, which is going to give us a total of 8 inches. But for my off shoulder, it is a different one. The off shoulder I have here is 45. Inches. The round shoulder that I have here is 45 inches. Now I'm going to divide that 45 inches by 4. 45 inches divided by 4. The 45 inches, I'm going to divide it by 4, which will give me, I'm just going to divide it this way. So I'm going to have 11.25. So I'm going to measure my 11.25 here, plus my half inch sewing allowance. That's 11.75. So that will be for my shoulder. that is going to be for my shoulder. So I'm going to come in by 1 inch or half an inch. I'm going to come in by half an inch to join to the shoulder side. Then I'm going to go down here by 1 inch. I'm going to go down here by 1 inch for my shoulder slope. This shoulder slope is very, very important. I'm going to go down there by 1 inch, then I mark it out. So I'm just going to trace out my measurements. So I'm going to cut them out. So guys, just follow the shape of my hand. So this is what I have for the down. Then for the up, this is what I have. My half shoulder is going to stop there. Then my slope, my shoulder slope. So guys, I'm going to head over to the sewing machine now and join this side as well as my shoulder slope. But before then, let me cut my band with this black material that I have here. So I have my black material here, and I'm going to fold them up like this. So guys, I'm going to join it. I'm going to join the off shoulder, the neck. So after joining this black material to it, I had to sew this side, and I want it to have an opening here like this. So I'm going to tape it inside. So I had to sew this side like this, then I left the other part for the opening. So what I want to do now is to measure my sleeve length. So I'm going to measure from this side. From this top here, I'll measure 8 inches or 9 inches. I'll measure 9 inches, so that I'm going to use the remaining allowance to fold this up like this. I'll fold it in. So I'll measure 9 inches here. Then from this 9 inches down, I'll sew it like this, till I get here. I'm going to join it. From this 9 inches, I'm going to leave this side open. But from this 9 inches down here, I'm going to sew it with half an inch down till I get to the down of the gown. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to head over to the machine now and I'll sew it.
So guys, I've gone ahead to sew it and join it, and I've also gone ahead to tape it down. So this is the final look. This is the final outcome. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and until then, see you next time. Bye.